there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make those tough purchasing decisions with a sprinkle of humor and a dash of controversy. Today, we've got a drone showdown that will make your head spin faster than a propeller. On my left, we have the VISNEE newest drone, and on my right, the ATTOP drone W10. Let's see which one flies high and which one crashes and burns. Let's dive into the first category, price. The VISNEE newest drone comes in at a wallet-friendly $59. On the other hand, the ATTOP drone W10 is a bit pricier at $69. So if you're counting your pennies, VISNEE takes the first point. But hey, $10 might be worth it for a drone that doesn't end up in your neighbor's pool. Next up, camera quality. The VISNEE drone boasts a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees manually adjustable 2K HD lens. It's like having a mini James Cameron filming your flights. Meanwhile, the ATTOP drone W10 also has a 1080p HD camera, but with a 120 degrees wide view lens. Reviewers say that the ATTOP's wider view makes it more fun for capturing expansive scenes. Wider view, more fun, right? ATTOP scores here. Now, let's talk ease of use. VISNEE promises one-button takeoff and landing, which is great for those of us who can't even parallel park. It also has a 3-speed gear flight mode, so it's like the Mario Kart of drones. Reviewers appreciate these features, especially for beginners. But wait, ATTOP isn't backing down. This baby supports toss to launch. Yes, you heard that right. You can literally throw it, and it starts flying. Reviewers highlight this as a standout feature for fun and ease. Both are beginner-friendly, but toss to launch? ATTOP takes this round. Alright, let's get into flight time. VISNEE gives you two 1,800 mAh batteries, promising a whopping 30 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to annoy your entire neighborhood. On the other hand, ATTOP doesn't specify its battery life, but it does come with a low battery alarm and one key return. Reviewers note that the VISNEE's longer flight time is a major plus. VISNEE wins this one for sheer endurance. Now for the advanced features. VISNEE is packing altitude hold, headless mode, 360 degrees flip, obstacle avoidance, and circle fly. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of drones. But ATTOP isn't playing either. It offers headless mode, 360 degrees flips, trajectory fly, and 3-gear speeds. Plus, it has multiple control methods, like app touch, voice, gravity sensing, and gesture. It's like the drone that listens to you better than your dog. Reviewers love the ATTOP's advanced control options. So in terms of advanced features, ATTOP edges out VISNEE. Last but not least, safety. VISNEE has a stable altitude hold function, which is great for those picture-perfect Instagram shots. But ATTOP takes safety to a whole new level with propeller guards and a high-quality ABS material. Plus, it warns you when the battery's low, so you don't end up with a drone-shaped hole in your wallet. Reviewers appreciate these safety features, especially for younger users. ATTOP wins this round, keeping your fingers and wallet safe. So what's the final verdict? If you're on a tight budget and want a drone that flies longer, the VISNEE newest drone is your go-to. Reviewers praise its affordability and flight time, but have mixed feelings about its camera quality and durability. On the other hand, the ATTOP drone W10 is worth the extra $10 if you're looking for a wider camera view, advanced controls, and superior safety features. Reviewers highlight its innovative features and safety, but note some issues with control and battery life. That's it for today's drone showdown. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another fun and controversial comparison. Leave a comment below about which drone you prefer and why. And don't forget, product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.